Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you two easy ways to make fresh pounded yam without pounding. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. Here I have the yam which I'll be using for this recipe. I will start by washing the yam. And I will use a sponge to sponge the yam. I like to wash yam before cutting it to get rid of the dust and sand. And that is done. Next, I'll cut the yam and I will use half of the yam for the first method and the other half I will save it for the second method. Then slice the yam. And I will not be using that piece and peel the yam. Next, cut the yam into small cubes to make the work easy for the blender. I will transfer the yam off the cutting board. And I will transfer the yam inside water to prevent them from turning brown. Next, add about half a cup of water in the blender. Add the cut yams. And it's best to use little amount of water to blend the yam. You can adjust it later. And blend into a smooth paste. Add the yam paste in a pot. And stir. Cook on medium heat. After some time, lumps will appear. Keep stirring. Once it's nicely stirred, take out the spatula. Add some water. Cover and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Stir. At this point, if you like it very soft, you can add more water. And when it's nice and smooth, take out the spatula and take it off the heat. And it's ready. The second method, I have the other half yam nicely cut and peeled already. Transfer the cut yams inside the pot. Add water. Cover and leave it to cook until the yam is soft. And the yam is be cooking now for about 20 minutes. I will check, and at this point, once the fork can come out easily, that means it's ready. Take it off the heat. For this method, I am using food processor. Transfer the cooked yam inside the food processor. Cover and blend. If you like it very soft, you can add a little bit of the hot water from cooking the yam to it. And that is done. The pounded yam is very soft and smooth. You can enjoy pounded yam with any soup of your choice. It goes down so easily and it goes with all the soup. It's very, very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.